Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without breaking the bank or losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the high-flying world of drones. On the left, we have the Bwine F7GPS drone, and on the right, the Bwine F7GPS upgraded drone, also known as the F7 Mini. Let's find out which one is worth your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about the price. The F7 GPS drone is priced at a whopping $501. Yes, you heard that right, folks. It's like buying a drone and getting an imaginary gold-plated propeller. Meanwhile, the F7 Mini is a more wallet-friendly $258. That's less than your last impulse buy on Amazon, probably. So if you're looking to keep your bank account out of the ICU, the F7 Mini is your guy. Next, FAA compliance. The F7 GPS drone comes with a built-in remote ID module. It's like the drone equivalent of having your ID checked at a bar. Necessary, but annoying. The F7 Mini, on the other hand, weighs in at a feather-light 248 grams plus, meaning it doesn't need FAA registration. So if you hate bureaucracy as much as we do, the F7 Mini is your drone. Now, let's talk cameras. The F7 GPS drone boasts a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal and 5x digital zoom. It's like having a professional photographer strapped to a flying robot. On the flip side, the F7 Mini also flexes a 4K UHD camera with 2.7K real-time image transmission. Sure, it might not have the mechanical gimbal, but who needs stability when you're living life on the edge, right? Reviewers of the F7 GPS drone love the outstanding video quality and stable camera performance, while users of the F7 Mini appreciate its high-quality videos and pictures despite some initial learning curve. Flight time, anyone? The F7 GPS drone offers 50 minutes with its 2 batteries, which is enough time to rethink your life choices mid-air. The F7 Mini, however, gives you a generous 60 minutes. That's 10 extra minutes to record your epic fails and near-death experiences. Score 1 for the F7 Mini. Wind resistance. The F7 GPS drone has level 6 wind resistance, meaning it can handle a windy day better than your average toupee. No official wind resistance rating for the F7 Mini, but hey, it's small enough to probably dodge the wind altogether. So if you're planning to fly during a hurricane, maybe stick with the F7 GPS. Reviewers have noted the F7 GPS drone's durability, even surviving minor collisions, while the F7 Mini is praised for its ruggedness despite lacking official wind resistance ratings. Range is up next. The F7 GPS drone boasts a 10,000 feet transmission range. That's almost 2 miles, or in other words, far enough to lose it and cry on your way home. The F7 Mini didn't specify, but let's assume it's enough to spy on your neighbors without them calling the cops. So unless you're planning a cross-country drone trip, both should be fine. Reviewers have mentioned that the F7 Mini has some range limitations but still performs well for its price. GPS features, because no one wants a lost drone. Both drones come with GPS auto return, follow me, and waypoints. The F7 GPS drone promises not to get lost, while the F7 Mini will also find its way back like a homing pigeon. So if you're prone to losing things like your keys, wallet, or sanity, either drone has your back. Customer support. The F7 GPS drone promises quick resolution of issues, almost like having a personal drone therapist. The F7 Mini, however, offers a 6-month money-back guarantee and a 3-year warranty. It's like buying a drone with a best friend guarantee. Reviewers have praised the customer support for both drones, with many highlighting the excellent service and quick resolutions. Reviewers have generally been pleased with both drones. The Bwine F7GPS drone is praised for its outstanding video quality, stable camera performance, and durability. However, some users have noted its higher price and short battery life. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone, or F7 Mini, is appreciated for its affordability, high-quality videos and pictures, and excellent customer support. Some reviewers did mention its limited range and lack of a mechanical gimbal, but overall it's considered a great entry-level option. So there you have it, smart buyers. If you want a drone that's feature-packed and ready to burn a hole in your wallet, go for the F7 GPS drone. But if you're looking for something light, affordable, and packed with fun features, the F7 Mini is your new best friend. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Also, leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.